In the realm of mystic thoughts that swirl, Neville Goddard's words, they gently unfurl. The light of the world, he did exclaim, a book of wisdom that's much more than just a name. Unlocking the secrets of our inner might, he unveils the power within, shining so bright. His teachings encourage us to create, to use our imagination, to design our own fate. With profound insights, he guides us through the corridors of consciousness. The paths are new. From imagery and belief, he extracts the key to manifest our desires, to set our spirits free. Goddard reminds us we are not mere pawns, but creators divine, with potential that dawns. He encourages us to awaken, to realize that we are the architects of our own paradise. In each paragraph, a revelation is found, a new perspective, a deep concept unbound. From the power of revision to assuming the state, these lessons, like treasures, are there to await. We learn to feel the reality we seek, to embody our visions, to truly believe. For our thoughts shape the world we perceive, and in the realm of imagination, we can achieve.